Alright guys, not gonna lie, it's that time again. Crypto's doing dirty things, it's coming down a little bit and falling to pieces almost. Ethereum sitting at 3.1k is quite insulting, but we are seeing a lot of AI agent tokens hold the floor very well at the moment. I'm making this video. Market cap of crypto sits at 3.26 trillion right now, and when you actually kind of zoom out and just look retrospectively, you can see how far the blockchain space has actually grown despite the volatility. Yes, a lot of altcoins are bleeding out. Yes, a lot of meme coins are bleeding out. Low market cap coins are bleeding out. Bitcoin is actually holding super well, which I've got no concerns about Bitcoin right now. But yeah, this is crazy, guys. So we're going to look in this video, best AI agent crypto, some AI agent coins I'm going to be buying this dip on because I am bullish on some of these coins here. Because you see, if you want to make more money in this market and really enhance your crypto portfolio, if you're someone that wants to make more buckets in this market, check out my Patreon, link down below. Space is super limited, but we've got a few different options that you can go for to get those insights, early alpha, signals, and more. And effectively, this will give you VIP access to the Discord channel. So be sure to check it out. It's all down below, like I say, and fingers crossed we're going to see something good from this market. And also do yourself a favor, sign up to KSEX, guys. Save yourself some money. The lowest rates in the entire markets. You will be very surprised at all of the different trading pairs on this exchange. But you'll also be surprised about how much money you'll be saving by using this because it's got the lowest fees in the entire market. So have a look down below and thank yourself later for that as well. Now, coin number one is AION 5100. This coin here has rocketed up to $22.3 million on the market capital side of things in quite a quick succession. Basically been trading for about a month here. We can see on Coin Gecko. And overall, it looks like a decent one. You can see 21 million max supply, copying Bitcoin on the base chain as well. And just looking at the price structure of this particular coin, how do you even say that? ION 5100? I got no idea. But we can see, looking at its recent Fibonacci structure from this recent pump here, just literally here from this swing high to low, it's bouncing on that 0.786 Fibonacci pocket. So you can see this AION coin looks like it could be in a nice area for potential dollar cost averaging. Of course, it's a high risk play, but this coin was recently sitting at $2.15. So it's now down about 50% from its all-time high. It's about 47% down. This would be the time to sort of dollar cost average in rather than FOMOing and during the up rally. So you're effectively buying the fear here. You're capitalizing on fear. Although it's risky and it doesn't guarantee that it's going to go up back to its all-time high, there's a good chance we could see a bounce here. So for me, I will DCA into this token right here. It's a low enough market cap. I think it could still do a 3, 4, 5, maybe even more X in the future. And it's a very early coin. It's a very early meta that continues to grow and expand in these markets. So like I say, 23 mil market cap, 5X is feasible. Liquidity looks good at 858k, but it's not locked in. 15.9k holders as well, as you can see here. 96/99 DEX tool score. Not a bad coin to potentially look at. The next one is this Draft King, D King price. We can see here on the 3 month, it has been just slowly coming down in price. Looking at this D King coin, since its inception, it did over 100x. It launched at like 1 cent. It went up to $1.67, which is insane. But I do potentially think we could get continuation and maybe a breakout of this falling wedge pattern that we are seeing right here. We can see, looking at our Fib retracement, came down to the 0.786 Fibonacci. It bounced basically right at the bottom. As you can see here, it came down to 0.58 over the last few hours, and it actually rallied insanely. Look at that buyback volume is incredible. So something's keeping these AI agents alive. You can see there's a lot of volume to the upside, and it does look rather good. So it could be another one that's worth a play. Looking at the stats of this, 20.8 mil market cap, 13.68k holders, 720k liquidity, and 84/99 on the DEX tool score here, guys, for D King. Of course, make sure you've got those contract addresses correct. This one ends in B2ED. In case you're looking at the wrong pair or something, or a coin that isn't the legit coin that you should be looking at. So yeah, I think even a coin like this could have a ton of conviction and massive community value behind it and fundamentals behind it that could potentially see it to go crazy. We've also got on Virtuals Protocol a good site that you can use, by the way, guys, to find these AI agents. You can also create new agents here, but you can see just looking through it, you can rank these coins by TVL, which is total value locked, but also you can rank them by their market capitalization. It helps you identify those big pumpers in the market. The next one is this game token, which pumped up to 0.39 recently. And again, just looking at the Fibonacci restructure here, it's a bit small, so I'll try and blow this up a little bit. Wow, that's brilliant. We can see 0.786 fib. It actually fell short of that region. So this is another really interesting thing. I'm just going to change it to moon mode for the sake of my eyes. Wow. Yeah, we can see over here just another one that looks pretty sweet. A really lot, a ton of buying back pressure here at 0.11. So we might also see a return to the upside for this coin. And if it did, I'd be looking for at least 25 cents to 28 cents, which would reflect, from where we are, around a 70% move to the upside, because this is volatility. This is all capitulation following the state of the market. And I don't think anything else is forcing this to come down. It doesn't look like a malicious dump or anything. It actually looks like it's holding pretty well. And even from the top here, it's down about 60-70%, which is completely normal for a low market cap coin. You can see over here, getting good engagements, good followers. MC is 150 million, TVL is 21 million. So this has got the highest amount of total value locked for an AI agent token, which is called Game USD. So this is another one that for sure does excite me right now. So the next one I want to show you is not actually an AI agent, but what this is a new ICO meme coin following the Frog meme coin meta, which could also do very well, because the last one we looked at was called PEPE Unchained and ripped up a 7 to 8x for holders that got in early. One Wall Street PEPE is 0.000366647. The price goes up in 1 day, 14 hours. And when you're on the website, you can buy with crypto using like a MetaMask or Wallet Connect or something, like a hot wallet, a DeFi wallet, a Web3 wallet. So yeah, really cool one. It's going to be launching soon, hitting DEX and hopefully some really good centralized exchanges. Could be worth checking out as well, guys, if you're looking to diversify into the meme market. Bull market is where ICOs typically perform better. So there will be a link down below where you can research on Wall Street PEPE, which are growing massively at the moment on Twitter. I think they've got about 40k followers, 33.7k followers, getting a lot of engagement. So big community. Big culture is also backing this project too. Could be a good play. So really, to summarize the video, we had Aeon 5100, which I think is a really cool looking token. We've got this Drift King or Draft King, D King. Another one to keep your eyes on, because I think eventually we will see the price lift of these tokens. And of course, the other one was the game token here, another AI agent token that I'd be looking at. And lastly, the Wall Street PEPE, not quite an AI agent, but it's one that is on my radar that could potentially do well. Links are down below, gents, and of course, lovely ladies. And look, if you do want to become part of the Patreon, if you don't like it after a week, we'll still happily refund you. Just take a look at it down below. See if you like the look of this. If you really want to be part of a network that will help you grow in this crypto space, it's all down there. So thanks for watching. See you soon and have a wonderful evening. This isn't financial advice. I always advise people to do their own due diligence, make sure they do their own thorough research. But yeah, guys, enjoy the markets and hopefully this hasn't spooked you out too much. Peace.